this is my first public YouTube video. I'm really excited. So, for my YouTube videos, I'm going to be I'll be posting on weekends, and there will be questions of the day on every single video. And on Sunday, I'll be answering you guys' questions, so y'all can just put some questions in the comment section. So yeah, and I'll be answering most of you guys' questions. And this is my first public YouTube video. I did do a private YouTube video, but it's private, so y'all can't really see it. But for my first public YouTube video, I'm going to be opening this squishy package. It's in the mail. It was in the mail. It is backwards right now because I can't show you my address. Here it is. It says enjoy. And let's just get right into opening it. So, let's do it. So, this is what you first see. And I'm trying to find my invoice. There it is. Okay. I'm pretty sure. Oh, yeah. Okay. So it says invoice and note, please read. Okay, so, yep, this is my invoice. It says what I got: Panda Buns, Punimara Poop, an iBloom Cat Tanker, Jumbo Squeezables Pear. And she gave me a note. Hi, hope you enjoy your squishies and extras. And then a big smiley face. And it says no refunds from Unicorn Squishies. Yeah, so make sure you go check out her thing on Instagram at Unicorn Squishies after this video. So we'll just be opening this package. Okay, first thing I pull out, I'm gonna have this open so I can see what I got. So first thing I pull out is my squeezable pear. I did order packaging with these squishies, but this didn't come with packaging. Maybe it's all at the bottom. That's totally fine with me. So, it's like a marshmallow. It's a little defected, right there. But that's totally fine. It might have gotten defective while it was in the delivery thing. So next thing I pull out is this homemade thing. She did say that she was going to give me extras, so this might be an extra. Thank you for this wonderful extra. So yeah, I got this panda bun, and I did order 2 panda buns, but this is probably just an extra. Yeah, enough squishing that. Next thing I pull out is this cute cat squishy. I don't know if this is a Shopkin. I don't really know much about Shopkins, but if it is, comment down below if it is. That's the question of the day. No, that's not the question of the day. Erase that. I don't know if it's a Shopkin or not, but, you know. There it is. And I did order a iBloom Cat Tanker, and hopefully this is not my iBloom Cat Tanker because that was actually $20. Hopefully this is just an extra. Okay, and this poop. Probably an extra too, because this cannot be my Punimara poop for $20. Oh my gosh. I didn't know it cost that much. Forgot it cost that much. Okay. Yes, it's fine. I mean, this is probably an extra. And another one of those homemade panda buns, which is probably an extra 2. Wait, hold on. Are these my extras though? I think these are my extras. So, yeah, let's just go into the extras. I'm kind of confused because this is not my cat tanker, and this is what I got, but it's defected, and this is a homemade panda bun, and this is not Bunimaru. Okay, so let me just open these extras. She did give me quite a lot of extras. She gave me this pencil, I don't know, oh, it says something on it. It says, first class in every particular. I doubt you can see that. Yeah, can't. She gave, these are used. She gave me a used nail set, which is kind of weird. She gave me this washi tape. Oh, this is cute. It says, Mama Love. Some glue. And some sort of, oh, this is a homemade squishy, I think. I'm just gonna consider it as a homemade squishy, so let me just put that in my homemade squishy basket. Did not make it. So guys, I think I got scammed because, like, I did order 2 panda buns, and this is what I got. And this is my Bunimaru poop. That's what I got for $20. iBloom Cat Tanker, $20. Pretty sure this is a Shopkin. And the Jumbo Squeezables pair, $5. I mean, this is what I ordered, but it's defected. So guys, apparently I got scammed, and you just got spoofed. Okay, so the question of, yeah, I just tricked you, basically. These are all my regular squishies, and so the question of the day is, have you ever gotten scammed before by an Instagram seller? So, I hope you have a wonderful day, and bye!